the number one rule when it comes down to any negotiation is to have leverage. If you're negotiating one-to-one, you have no leverage. But if you're negotiating between you and multiple people that want your business, you have leverage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn contractors competing with one another for your business. And somewhere along this video, it's going to be a promo code. So make sure you watch the entire video. The app is called Allbetter, and it's literally making the maintenance experience completely all better. Let's go ahead and post a simple cleaning job. Enter a description. It's always helpful to have pictures and videos. This helps the contractors, gives you more of an accurate estimate. Next, you get to choose the location where you want the service to be done at. It could be your home, one of your rentals. Next, we know you're at work. So we're giving you control of setting the time and the date when you want the contractors to come and handle the issue. So you get to choose the date and the time when you want the service to be done, whether it's for you or one of your tenants. Also, we're giving you control of budget. The Allbetter is the only app in the market that lets you name your own price. Now, don't worry if some of you that don't know how much a task should cost, you can always go with open to any bid, or feel free to look at the suggested prices that we have here for you. For the sake of this demo, let's go ahead and do $150. And this is your job summary. Make sure all the details is correct, the time, the price, everything. And at this point here, we just want to give you a little summary of what's going to happen. As soon as the job gets posted, we automatically dispatch it to the contractors, the cleaners that actually service that area, giving them a chance to look at your proposal, your project scope of work, and send you a proposal directly to your mobile app. And while we're doing it, your address, your phone number, and your full name is not shared by them. In fact, let me show you what they see. So this is the Contractor App here. This is the job we just posted. You can see the address is hidden. Your name is only first name and no other contact information for them to bombard you. So you won't be getting unsolicited text messages or emails or have people come and knock on your door if they don't know the exact address. However, they see your exact scope of work. So the more details you enter at this stage, pictures and videos if possible, it saves you the whole back and forth dealing with the contractors. They know what needs to be done. They're going to send you an accurate bid. You'll like it. You go ahead with it. If not, you can always have questions for it. So if this guy wants to come back to us with maybe $160 bid, if we go back to the customer app, you'll see bids on the top right corner here. Let me show you. In this button up here, we can see the bid that we just received at $160. Again, you can chat with these contractors, ask them any questions you have before even you make your hiring decisions. Any things you'd like to know, pictures, tell them to show you what they have, or you can only click on their profile to see some of the work that they've done. We want you to make sure that you're calm, you're at ease, you're comfortable hiring this person before you make that decisions. And if all is well, we go ahead and hit the hire the contractors. Now at this point, they get to see the full address, and now they also have a way to contact you directly. And you also have a way to contact them directly. So if you want to speed up the process a little bit more. And you're also able to see exact pinpoint location where the contractor is at. So when they're on their way, you know they're coming, you know where they're at. When the job starts, you know when the job starts. And when they finish, you also know when the job is finished. And then once everything is completed, they get to send you an actual invoice. An invoice will include the original cost price, and if there was any additional charges or if there were any parts that you asked them to purchase, they will enter those. You also see pictures. This is my messy desk. And all we ask you at this point is rate your experience, give us the okay to release the funds and pay the contractors. It's really that simple. And this works perfectly whether you have one property or you have thousands of properties. It's so simple, isn't it? All of those headaches, the maintenance that you had to deal with in the past, consider those history. I want to welcome you to the Allbetter way. I hope you guys got the promo code somewhere in this video so you can get 10% off your first project. If you haven't, go back and rewatch the video. In the meantime, download the Allbetter app today, and I will see you on the inside.